Hello and welcome to the second video on topic 1. In this video we will be looking at microscopy and what it is used for. A microscope is very important for biology, so let's begin. Cells are studied using microscopes, and from this you can assume that they are used to look at things that we can't see with the naked eye. The microscopy techniques we can use have developed over the years as technology and knowledge has improved. There are two main microscopes in the GCSE curriculum. There is a light microscope and an electron microscope. However, an electron microscope can branch out into two different types, as there are different types of electron microscopes, but let's ignore that for this video. Let's begin with the light microscope. The light microscope uses light and lenses to form an image of a subject and magnifies it. Light microscopes allow us to see individual cells and large subcellular structures like nuclei. On the other hand, electron microscopes use electrons instead of light to form an image. They have a much higher magnification than light microscopes and also a much higher resolution, which gives a sharper image. Electron microscopes let us see things in more detail, like the internal structure of mitochondria and chloroplasts. Additionally, they let us see tinier things like ribosomes and plasmids. In an exam you might be asked to calculate the magnification of an image, and you will have to use this formula. You can use a formula triangle to rearrange if you need to. Also note that image size and real size should be the same units. If they are not, then you will have to convert. Here's a question that you can do. A specimen is 70 micrometers wide. Calculate the width of the image of the specimen under a magnification of 100. Give your answer in millimeters. Pause the video and have a go. So let's take the necessary steps to find this answer. In the question it asked for the image size. Size must use the formula to make the image size the subject of the equation. Then we fill in the values we know. And then we calculate the value with the same units we were given and convert to the unit it asked in the question, which was millimeters. The answer should be 7 millimeters. Well done if you got this correct, and if not, then practice and you will eventually see good results. That is everything of the microscopy topic you need to know on the theoretical side. Thank you for watching and have